Congratulations, you've purchased a DynaTrap, the #1 selling device for controlling mosquitoes and other annoying insects. Now, to ensure that you get the best results from your trap, here are simple guidelines to follow. First, place your DynaTrap outside early in the season before you see any mosquitoes. Second, place your DynaTrap 20 to 40 feet away from where you typically hang out in your yard, patio, or deck. Third, place your DynaTrap 3 to 6 feet off the ground and in the shade, ideally, between your high traffic area and mosquito habitats like bushes and trees. The fourth rule to remember is to turn your DynaTrap on and leave it on throughout the entire season. Do not turn it off. Lastly, replace your DynaTrap bulb after 4 months of continuous use to maintain the proper UV strength required to attract mosquitoes and other nuisance insects. If you follow these guidelines, we're confident that your DynaTrap is going to provide you with great results for years to come. And be sure to go to DynaTrap.com to see all of our innovative products to help you control insects both outside and inside your home. Happy trapping!